Hello learners, welcome back to our channel PropelX Labs. Today we are going to build a simple automation project, a relay pump control system. This project demonstrates how an infrared sensor can detect the presence of an object and automatically control a water pump through a relay module. It is a great beginner-friendly project for learning sensor-based automation and relay switching. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino UNO, an IR sensor module, a 4-channel relay module, a mini DC water pump, jumper wires, an external battery for the pump, a container of water, and a USB cable for programming the Arduino. Although we are using a 4-channel relay module, we will only use channel 1 in this project. The remaining relay channels can be used later to control the additional devices such as lights, fans, valves, or other pumps. So let's get started. First, place the Arduino IR sensor, relay module, and water pump on your work surface. Position the IR sensor so it can easily detect your hand or any object placed in front of it. Keep the relay module close to the Arduino so the wiring remains neat and easy to understand. Now let's move on to the connections. First, connect the IR sensor to the Arduino UNO, VCC to 5V, ground to ground, and output pin to digital pin 2. Now connect the 4-channel relay module, VCC to 5V, ground to ground, in one of the relay module to digital pin 8. Next, connect the water pump. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the COM terminal of relay channel 1. Connect the NO normally open terminal of the relay channel 1 to the positive wire of the water pump. Finally, connect the negative wire of the water pump directly to the negative terminal of the battery. The relay now acts as an electronic switch, allowing the Arduino to safely control the pump without supplying power directly to it. Before powering the circuit, carefully double check all the wiring using the circuit diagram linked in the description below. Now copy the Arduino code from the description, open the Arduino IDE and paste it into a new sketch. In this project, no additional libraries are required because we are simply reading a digital input and controlling a digital output. First, we define the pins. Digital pin 2 is used for the IR sensor. Digital pin 8 controls relay channel 1. In the setup function, we configure the IR sensor pin as an input and the relay pin as an output. The relay is initially turned off, so the pump remains stopped when the Arduino starts. Now, let's understand the program logic. The Arduino continuously checks the output of the IR sensor. When an object is detected in front of the sensor changes its output state. The Arduino immediately reads this signal and activates relay channel 1. Once the relay switch is on, it completes the electrical circuit and supplies power to the water pump. As a result, the pump starts pumping water. When the object is removed, the Arduino turns the relay off. The electrical circuit is opened and the pump stops automatically. So the complete working sequence is system waiting, object detected, relay channel 1 activated, pump starts running, object removed, relay switches off, and then pump stops. Now connect the Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Your automatic relay pump control system is now ready to use. Let's test the project. Bring your hand close to the IR sensor. As soon as the sensor detects your hand, relay channel 1 switches on and the water pump starts running. Move your hand away from the sensor, relay channel 1 switches off, and the pump immediately stops. This simple project demonstrates how sensors and relays work together to automate electrical devices without direct human control. Projects like this are commonly used in automatic hand washing systems, touchless water dispensers, automatic sanitizer dispensers, smart irrigation demonstrations, industrial automation systems, home automation projects. Safety note: this project is for learning purposes only. Keep the Arduino and relay away from the water while testing. Use the correct battery for water pump. Never touch electrical connections with wet hands. And if you are a young learner, always build this project with the help of an adult. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PropelX Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.